Hey, what's up, guys? This is Tremont McCray, the Sovereign Architect, and this is Character Transmutation LLC, where we transform your character from lead to gold. Now, this is equation number 3, divine physics. This is not in any particular order, but we're going to be discussing divine physics again, and it is the architecture and the mathematical equations of the metaphysics, how to make the unseen seen. And this one, we're going to be breaking down completion versus dissatisfaction. So a lot of people understand completion as you do what you said you was going to do. Okay? But realize that if you do not bridge that gap between what you said and what you do, you're going to be in what is known as dissatisfaction. It's a low frequency. You're not happy. You're not content. You're not at peace. You're not still. You're not cultivating. You're not growing. You're stagnant. You're not moving forward. You're disappointed. All of these words that I use, these emotional words, they're low frequencies because your subconscious mind, your spirit, really, I'll say your subconscious mind because it's going to easily pinpoint you and it's emotional. But I would say your true identity, your soul, your spirit is going to tell you when you're not in alignment. And in that telling of not in alignment, that's what's going to throw you off. And you end up in a low state. So if you want to elevate your state and go to the source, check this out. So to understand completion, I have an equation for you. Completion is nothing more than intention times, remember, everything is multiplication when it comes to the quantum field, okay? We do not move linearly. We move vibrationally. So intention times execution is going to equal completion. What do you intend to do? Can you execute? Can you follow through? Can you dissolve the mental chatter? We talked about flow state in the other in another video. The external and internal distractions must go, and then just follow through. Now, all of these actions and behaviors, they stem from your identity. Don't ever forget that. Your actions don't come first. Your thoughts don't come first. Your identity comes first. Then your thoughts, then your actions, then your destiny. Okay? That's the framework I'm teaching. So, intention, what you intend to do, times execution equals completion. And that's the bridge. You need the discipline. Discipline is the bridge, okay? Even if you don't feel like doing it. If it's in alignment, do it anyway. Now, how do you achieve dissatisfaction if that's something you want to avoid? It's intention. It's the same intention. However, we just subtract execution. And you might say, well, Tremont, that's super simple. Like, you need an equation for that? And I'm gonna answer you like this. Yes. Yes, you need an equation because now you can see it. Now you can feel it rather than you say, oh, he just didn't follow through. Well, why didn't he follow through? Why didn't he complete it? It's all going to circle back to identity. Identity. Who does he or she think he is? And based off that belief, because more often than not, it's not grounded in truth of your divine self. So based off your belief, who do you think you are? That's how everything will flow. So last point, guys, if you believe yourself to be one who completes things, who follows through, who sets intentions and executes, this is discipline. You become one who is disciplined. Then, if you think you are someone who can't do something, low self-esteem, low self-image, low integrity, low character, right? You're not going to follow through. And remember, this formula, I'm going to cut that out, guys. Remember, this formula is the reason why you either complete or you are dissatisfied. And you can fix it. That's why I went the formula, because now you can plug in and play. So this has been Divine Physics, guys. And if you want to go deeper, I'm going to keep going. And next time we're going to go from lead to gold. I'll see you in the next one.